guys, it's Lil Clay Clay. Welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to the first ever, cleaning vlog. I never really done a vlog like this before. We're gonna start with doing the dishwasher. Unloading the dishwasher and loading it. Just thought this would be fun to do since I've never done anything like this before. It's Sunday, August 6th. It's 2:27 in the afternoon. My clocks are actually a little slow. It's kind of annoying. Thought I had them set up at the right time, but I didn't, so I gotta fix that. What happened was the power went out when I was at camp, and I figured I'd just leave them alone, so I'm not gonna be at home for the next 2 weeks. But when I sent them back, at the wrong time. So anyway, one of the little lights in my microwave clock actually went out. But anyway, sorry if I'm talking quietly. I just don't want to disturb my roommate. But anyway, let's go and get started. If you guys are new here, my name is Lil Clay Clay, and I have high-functioning autism. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. put that in the dishwasher in that cup. I didn't see it. Just clean my counter here. It's on the stove. You know, some of the parts, if you can see them, some of these spots I think were on here when we got the stove. Little kitchen, little coffee space here too. I'm thinking about possibly one day getting a coffee maker that grinds and then not necessarily replacing it with this coffee maker, but replacing it with that coffee maker here, and taking this one to this one's where I work. I'm now gonna. This is a bowl that I bought from my grandmother. I'm gonna. Just some stains from the. It's not actually on the bowl, to be fine. Don't ignore the redness on the bowl from the camera. But I am gonna take this back to my meemaw. But yeah. So got a bit of an update on the house. So I got my little cactus plant here. It's not really growing. I'm hoping I'm not putting too much water. This is my first time watering a succulent plant. I do have some more that my meemaw is going to give me. I'm going to clean this window, maybe put some of these plants in here. I just watered my plants today. I'm going to clean this part of the window. As you can see, it's kind of nasty. See if I can fix these blinds too. For some reason, when you open them, they don't. Oh, it's not my roommate. I'm thinking I hear a car door, but I don't see this car. Back to the vlog, you can see when I let go of the string, it goes up. Oh. Never mind then. So I'm just making sure my roommate's not back, because he doesn't like to be on camera. But that took longer than expected. But as you can see, I might get some new blinds. But I am gonna sorry y'all. I am gonna clean this whole shed out, clean this whole window place out here, and put maybe my succulents in there. I would do it today, but it's already. Let me go look at my clock on my Echo Show. It's already 3:37 in the afternoon, and I actually need to vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum the floor a little. I'm also gonna, because as you can see, we got us a lot of dirt. It's not too much dirt, but still. I'm gonna do a little bit of vacuuming, and then I have an update. So I don't know much about this plant right here. I'm trying to get some information on it. I think my meemaw told me it's the plant she thinks I was talking about. These leaves are supposed to die down like this. It seems to be getting the water. So I gave this plant water, right? Yeah, I did. This one's doing pretty good. That one, it's doing okay. As you can tell, it's starting to show its ears a little, but this one's doing good. This one's been doing good. This one's been doing good. This one's been doing good. I know it looks like it's not been doing well. Funny story about this plant. This plant almost died instantly, because when I felt the soil, I thought it was a fake plant, but it turns out it's the kind of soil I think you have to water to get the soil to kind of break down a little. My cactus plant here is actually starting to really get better since I've started watering it. This one I've tried, but I think this one's already done. I'm probably going to see if I can plant it and see what I can do with dead cactus plants. I heard you have to get cactus food for these kinds of cactus plants. Base there was from some roses that died. You really were supposed to plant them on the ground. I took the seeds off and planted them in the ground, but nothing's happened, so I'm pretty sure I did that wrong. I should look more into it. Yep, looks like we might be getting some storms here. It was supposed to be one around 3. Maybe it was around 3:30, but let's see. It's getting kind of cloudy with some big thunderheads. We haven't been getting much thunderstorms here in the area that I've been getting in. Excuse that sound, that's my washing machine running. Yep. I'm gonna do a little bit of vacuuming. Let's see which vacuum I'm gonna use today. I've been moving these into my shed to kind of get ready to start rearranging and stuff because my mom has a church friend who's gonna help me rearrange and stuff. I think I'll use one of my Sharks. I have a few vacuums that I'm actually gonna say bye-bye to. Because I've had them for a while. And also that one I'm getting rid of because I've said this in one blog, I'm gonna say it again just for the heck of it. In case you haven't watched the blog. This one I have one just like it, so I don't really need it. That one doesn't clean very well. Neither does this one, and it is actually very loud. I've never ever used it since I got it. Back when it was just me, my parents, and Hunter and Nasir. This one, for some reason, it's sucking up here, but it's not sucking down the bottom. I'm hoping that I can get this to a thrift shop, and maybe somebody who is a vacuum enthusiast will figure out what the problem is and give it better care than I can. This vacuum, it still works. The hose just broke off. The hose just broke off. I think I might I don't want to throw it away because it still works and sucks. I think there's a Dirt Devil Quick Light in there. I think I might get rid of. You guys can't really see. And there's a Hoover wind tunnel that's definitely gonna go because it's broken. It's not broken, but brush roll is kind of messed up. And then there's no hose, no bags. I bought that from YouTuber Braveax, and I reached out. It was just a kid at the time, so I'm not trying to sound mean, but I asked him could he email me a hose, and he said he'd get it for me, but he never did. So that vacuum's just been sitting there collecting dust. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start vacuuming. My roommate gets back, so that way I can go ahead and do this living room because he'll probably want to rest. This fan's still plugging. I've had this plugged in since the last time my brother stayed over. Here's my hoverboard. I haven't ridden it in a while. Okay.
This is easy.
Alright, so I vacuumed the floor a little. That was just a little bit of spot vacuuming, not a full-on vacuuming, just because there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna wait till my mom's gonna come in. We're gonna really clean the place up a little once we start decluttering and stuff. So, that's good. think now I might go outside for a stogie real quick because it looks like it's fixing the storm, and then I might plug up, so might see if I can get edit some more footage from my camp vlog, and then maybe get some of my stuff out of my bag. Tomorrow I'm staying at my parents' house. I have a lot of laundry to do, but my roommate's using the laundry. I'm using the washing machine and dryer right now. There's a little aloe plant that I don't think I need a bit of a lesson with aloe plants too. Yeah. Finally, we're in a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and it looks like we're finally getting a thunderstorm for you guys. As you can see, I'm not gonna go outside because it looks like it's about to get nasty. It's actually getting pretty windy, but see, it's already gotten really cloudy. I'm actually kind of happy. I haven't really been able to film much severe thunderstorms, so I'm actually pretty happy I can film this one. I'm gonna back away from the window a little because of lightning. I'm gonna go ahead and make me some dinner while I'm out here. I think I might just have some nachos. I might see if my roommate wants the salsa, because I'm not really much of a salsa person. My Meemaw got these chips from a Mexican restaurant. I think I might just mix these with the chips I got from Food Line. I might just see how much is in there. Might make maybe some. How long do you heat this up for? Let's see. There should be some instructions on how long you heat them up for. There's usually some instructions on how long you gotta. Here we go. Snap tab, loosen lid. 1 minute. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I'm gonna eat and watch the storm at the same time. Then I'll maybe try to edit some vlogs. Let's see. It's starting to thunder. You can kind of see out this window right here. Well, you can't really, but you can see how dark it's gotten. I finally got the blinds to work, so that's good. I think I might clean this tomorrow. Or did I say that already? If I did, I did. If not, who cares? Either way. But yeah, I'm very glad I finally got to film like a severe thunderstorm for you guys. It's raining. Oh, it's raining. Let's see. Oh, it just started raining harder. Hope it doesn't make it too muddy out there. But yeah, it's starting to rain a little harder. Can actually hear it better in here. So if it's dark, I'll go in here. It's got a little nightlight on, so I can kind of see me better. Ooh, got some lightning. There we go, that's the stuff. Meemaw's probably gonna call me and try to get me to come up to her house. There's a tornado. If it starts to get real nasty, or there's a tornado warning, or if it starts to hail, I might go up there. Ooh, now it's rained really hard. Ooh, it's getting nasty. So if y'all can't hear it too well, just because I have that AC unit running. I don't know if you can kind of see right out there how windy it's getting. Sorry, I'm just trying to eat my dinner. It's the first time I've eaten it on a kitchen counter. I'm just trying to watch the storm too. There's that tree out there. Back away a little in case the starting to flood the driveway a little. Hopefully my roommate doesn't come out here in the storm. Wonder if it's gonna knock the power out again. I know one time we had a bad storm. That one storm when I was riding back to the crib with my roommate. We came home and the power was out. I said, I'm just trying to just clean this stove top. It's already getting messy. It'd be real cool if it started to hail again. One time back when it was Jordan and Nathan, there was a severe thunderstorm warning, and if y'all remember that vlog, you can probably find it somewhere. If you click on videos on my channel, you'll probably find it. Or if I've created a playlist, I want to start making playlists for stuff like this. There was one time where it actually started to hail, and there was a whole bunch of hail. There's one tree I kind of worry about. It's that tree right there. It's already come apart, and then there's a tree in front of my house that it's starting to come down. It's that big tree right there. That one's not starting to come down, but that tree right there. It's already been it's already come apart. So I wonder if that one's gonna come all the way down. It should have been a flash flood warning, because look at all this water that's coming down on the driveway. Really, I'm glad one time there was a severe thunderstorm warning, and we kind of reboarded the windows on me and my brother's E46. Ooh, back up a little. Get some thunder here in a minute. Was kind of shady. Really, that was kind of shady. Really glad I was able to finally film a severe thunderstorm. I didn't bail on filming because it was tired or because nothing was really going to happen at all. This is insane. It's not blowing that. It's not getting windy anymore. Well, it's sort of getting windy, but not too windy. Alright, so looks like it's starting to calm down now. I heard a really big loud thunder, and normally if it doesn't happen before when the storm hits, that's normally, I take that as a sign that the storm's about to be over. I would have filmed for you guys, but I was trying to eat my dinner on a kitchen counter while watching the storm. It does look like it's kind of calming down now, so that's good. Don't look like there was much damage, but yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this YouTube video. Welcome, I hope you enjoyed another mini vlog. Excuse my bling, I don't know why I do that. I don't think it's anything bad or anything. This doesn't happen too often, but anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm glad I got to film a storm for you guys finally. The update on after my roommate moves out, we're finally gonna do a little decluttering, and hopefully I won't ever have to have a stopped up room again. But yeah.